You know those nights when you just want something quick, colorful, and packed with flavor? This one pan fajita bowl checks all the boxes. Simple ingredients, bold taste, and barely any cleanup. We're using a mix of bell peppers, red onion, black beans, and sweet corn. Toss in olive oil, chili powder, cumin, and a squeeze of lime. I like using a dark sheet pan because it helps those veggies get that golden edge. That's where the flavor lives. Spread everything out in one even layer. Don't crowd the pan. Give the veggies a little breathing room so they roast instead of steam. Here's a shortcut. Use frozen pepper strips if you're short on time. They roast beautifully and nobody will know the difference. Bake at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Give it a quick stir halfway through. Then pile those roasted veggies and beans over warm rice or quinoa. Finish with fresh lime and a sprinkle of cilantro if you like a little green on top. If easy weeknight dinners are your thing, tap like so I know to share more of these one-pan wonders. Just look at those colors. Sweet corn, smoky peppers, and that hit of lime. This is weeknight comfort that feels like a celebration. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.